Hi, it's Jandy Autry. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. What makes all of these better? What elevates steak, chicken, seafood, potatoes, and bread? A simple compound butter. Here's what you'll need: a variety of herbs and butter. There are so many herbs that make butter even better. You'll also need things like lemon, capers, olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. For a basic steak butter compound, it's butter, olive oil, garlic powder, parsley, pepper, and salt. For seafood, it's butter, olive oil, dill, chopped capers, parsley, pepper, and salt. And for chicken, potatoes, or bread, it's sage, chives, dill, rosemary, pepper, and salt. Or you can use one basic herb compound for all. Combine the butter, the olive oil, the herbs, and spices. Mix to combine, and then on a piece of parchment paper, spoon the butter compound in a log. Roll it in the parchment paper and refrigerator freeze. When hardened, you're ready to use. Just roll it out and slice it up for a beautiful steak, for grilled chicken, on a shrimp skewer, baked potato, or even on grilled bread. Compound butter is so easy and adds so much more flavor to any dish. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.